In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, grade 3 students, Tarbiyya Namudajiyya School. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is teacher Ashraf Nuza Campus. Welcome you to a new distance learning lesson. Today, inshallah, we're going to study Unit 8, Lesson 7. So, in your pupils book on page 88 and your activity book on page 84. Right? So, our lesson today is phonics. So, we're going to study some words, right? Focusing on the letter consonant blends or consonant clusters. These are called consonant blends or consonant clusters, which is, a consonant cluster is a group of consonants, usually 2 or 3. We studied 3 consonants in a previous lesson, like the word string, string, s, t, r, stra, string. So today we're gonna study these words, right, focusing on these sounds. So let's get started with this listening. We have a listening. Listen carefully, and then after that we're going to complete our lesson.
F, t, ift, ift. M, p, imp, imp. N, d, nd, nd. N, t, nt, nt. S, k, isk, isk. S, p, isp, isp. S, t, ist, ist.
So these are our consonant clusters, and a consonant also is basically, a non-vowel sound. So a consonant is the letters in the alphabet which is not a vowel. And the 5 vowels. Of course, all of you know them well, which are the 5 vowels, the letters A, E, I, O, U. And all of you know the drawing of the face, So the consonant is a non-vowel sound, or the letters which are not vowels. So it's now to study these words, The first word, left, left. Directions. If you are lost and someone told you go right or go left, right hand, left hand, all of you use their right hand to eat, and this is the left. We're going to study this later to help you understand the meaning. Left. Here we have the word bump, bump, and bump here is to hurt part of your body by hitting it against something hard. So you feel pain. When you hit something hard, you feel pain. This is some kind hurt you, right? So this is a bump. Hand, of course, hand, and the cluster here, n, d, nd, and here f, t, ft, and here m, p, mp. Here hand, and here the word wind. Wind is the natural movement of air, natural movement of air. So all of you know the word paint, paint. At the end of the word we have n, t, nt, nt. Here we have ask or ask. Here we have s, k, sk, sk. By the way, we studied consonant clusters in previous lessons, but we studied them at the beginning of the words, like blah, blah, black, brah, brah, brown. For example, fla, fla, flower. But here in this lesson, they occur finally. They occur at the end of the word. At the end of the word. Here we have wisp, wisp. By the way, in this lesson we have 2 words They are similar to each other in some ways. Wisp and wasp. Wisp and wasp. The word wisp is a small, thin line of something. Like I say, I saw or I can see a wisp of smoke, a wisp of smoke, a wisp of cloud, a wisp of steam. So it's usually, a thin line of something. And here we have the word nest, and this word is studied before, you know it. Here we have nest, and at the end of the word you find st, st. Right? Here we have some pictures. I have a bump on my arm, and you can see clearly that the boy seems to be suffering of some kind of pain due to hitting something hard. Look, his leg hurts, as you can see. Here you can see a nest and a bird. And the word nest, we studied this word before, and you know it very well. If you can remember, let me remind you of the meaning of the word nest. A nest is a structure built by some creatures, especially birds. But the question is, why do birds build such nests or these nests? They build nests to give birth or lay eggs to develop, right? So we have here, there is a bird and a nest. There is a bird and a nest. This is my left shoe. Left. And the word left here means, left shoe or left foot, right? So we have left and right. Left and right. Some other students might say, teacher, we know another meaning for the word left. This is the past simple of the word leave. If you leave, this means, you are going to leave a place. You are going to depart, right? So it's here, it's about left and right. It's not the past of the word leave, right? If we go to the next picture, ask the artist to paint a cat. Here we can see the word ask. We have s and k, ask. And we have also the word paint, n and t. And you know the word paint before. We studied this word before. He's painting here a cat. So that's for activity. That's all for activity 16 and 17. In this activity, we are going to then find f, t, m, p, m, p. Here nd, nt, sk, and st. And I think all of you can identify and extract these consonant clusters so easily. But let's quickly, let me show you. Here we read the sentences under the pictures. Let me show you the consonant clusters or consonant blends. Here we have bump and nest, left, and here ask, and here paint, right? So it's time now to move to the next activity, activity 18. Here we have to let us read first. We can see the pictures and words clearly. Look and write ft, mp, nd, nt, sk, or sp, or st at the end. Then say the words. Here we can see the word desk. Desk. Here, if you can focus in the picture, you can, identify the consonant cluster so easily. And I can see lots of students, mashallah, raising their hands. Yeah, this is lamp. And here is a basement, a basement. This is quite easy for you. You studied this word before. Half past. And here, that's correct. Yeah, very good. Around. And here, We have the word soft, soft. And here we have, yeah, that's right. Good job. Here we have crisp. So let me show you the answers. So take your time. You can pause the video, write the answers, and I'm sure all of you actually wrote the answers. That's all for our activity book. Sorry, for our pupils book. Let's now move on to the activity book. Yeah, before going to the activity book, I've prepared a PowerPoint show for you that's gonna be helpful for you, right? Here we have the word left, the word left, and you can see the consonant, cluster here quite clearly here. F and T, ft, left, left. Let's go to the next slide. Here we can have, a slideshow from current slide. That's right. Yeah, here we have left, and the next one, of course, bump, bump. Here we have hand, hand, paint, paint, desk, desk, and the word wasp, wasp, and the last one, of course, is so it's time for the activity book now. We have 3 activities, activity 15, 16, and 17. For activity 15, all you have to do is to read these words carefully and find the drawings here and circle them. So, and the first one, of course, is done for you. The word hand, yeah, this is circled. So we have to find lamp, nest, and paint. If you look carefully, look up and down, right and left for the word lamp, for the drawing lamp. Where is lamp? Yeah, that's it. And the word nest, can you find it? Yeah, very good, that's it. And this is for paint. What is the boy doing? He's painting. So you have to draw circles around the required words. I prepared the answer for you. Here's the answer. This arrow is pointing to paint, and this one is pointing to the lamp, and this for the nest. All you have to do is to circle the words or the drawings, right? Okay, let's go to the next activity. Here we have some pictures. You have to match the consonant blends or clusters. Here you can find the word fast, that's right. What is that boy doing? He's jumping. So here jump, fast, left, crisp, very good. This is an ant and this is a hand, right? Let me show you the answer. So here you can find the answers. Here is the first one is done ask. Here is fast, jump, left, crisp, ant, and hand. At the end of this video, I really hope you find it so enjoyable. Thank you for your attention. Till we meet again, thank you and goodbye.